next topic వచ్చేసి ఇంటర్ ప్రాసెస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. So what is inter process communication? The inter process communication is the mechanism provided by the operating system that allows process to communicate with each other. An inter process communication is the mechanism provided by the operating system that allows process to communicate with each other. This communication could involve a process letting another process know that some event has occurred or the transforming of data from one process to another. Here process 1 and process 2. In these two processes having some communication, inter-process communication. So pipe. So what is pipe? A pipe is a data channel that is unidirectional. Two pipes can be used to create a two-way data channel between two processes. This uses standard input and output methods. Pipes are used in all POSIX systems as well as Windows operating systems. Message queue. A message queue. What is message queue? Multiple processors can read and write data to the message queue without being connected to each other. So messages are stored in the queue until their recipient retrieves them. Message queue are unit useful for inter-process communication and are used by most operating systems. Next, namespace. A network namespace is a logical copy of the network stock from the host system. So network namespace are useful for setting up containers or virtual environments. Each network space has its own IP address, network interfaces, routing tables, and so forth. A semaphore is a value in a designed place in operating system or kernel storage that each process can check and then change. So depending on the value that is found, the process can use the resources or will find that it is already in use and must wait for some period before trying again. So semaphores can be binary, 0 or 1, or can have additional values. Shared memory. In computer science, shared memory is a memory that may be simultaneously accepted by multiple programs with an intent to provide communication among them or avoid redundant copies. Using memory for communication inside a single program among the multiple threads is also referred to as a shared memory. TCP connection establishment. To establish a connection, TCP uses a three-way handshake. So before a client attempts to connect with a server, the server must first bind to and design a port to open it up for connections. This is called positive open. Once the positive open is established, a client may initiate an active open to establish a connection. So the three-way handshake occurs. What is SYN? This is the active open is performed by the client sending a SYN synchronization to the server. Next server send back to the synchronous acknowledgement. it is a response. The server replies with a synchronization acknowledgement. The acknowledgement number is the set of to one more than the received sequence numbers. A plus one. Third one is the acknowledgement. Finally, the client sends an acknowledgement back to the server. This is the connection established. Connection termination means the connection termination phase uses a four-way handshake with each side of the connection termination independently. Okay, now independently. When an endpoint wishes to the stop, its half of the connection is transmits a FIN packet, which the other end acknowledgement with an acknowledgement. Okay, now